31st of January 2019, guys, and we are grinding. Actually, maybe it's better to take off the whole bracket with it. So 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Yeah, that'll be better. So first you gotta undo this bar. Another one here. Okay, so it's loose. Hang on to this, that's useful. Okay, so then you're gonna need a number 10. And unscrew the motor carrier. Okay, once you've kind of undone it, all the 4 bolts, you need to release basically get 2 10s and release the rod. So the rod is released like so. Unscrew this fully, basically. That's it. And then take off all the electrics. That's it, and just start kind of pulling it out. Oh yeah, don't forget to release these rods as well. Yeah, so I think the only thing that's holding it is these rod things. One. So you're just gonna pull it towards you, and voila, it all comes out. So just these rods come out now.